Welcome to Relata Tutorials. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create a digital sales gallery on our platform. Let's get started. First, head over to the Relata portal and log in using your registered work email. You'll receive a 6-digit OTP on your email. Enter that to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. This is the staffers page where you can view your profile details. You also have the option to add team members here by clicking on Add New Staffer, perfect for collaborating with colleagues on your projects. Now let's move on to creating your very first digital sales gallery. Head over to the All Galleries page. From here, simply click on Add New Gallery. This will take you straight to the DSG Creator, where you can begin building your digital sales gallery with ease. Once you open the Creator, you will see a quick start form, which will help you to quickly get started. Here you just need to add your project name, location, few lines about your project and project description. You can add list of amenities. Next, you can showcase your project in detail. Upload your project documents, walkthrough video, and add your master plan and floor plans. You can also upload images for your gallery, including interiors, exteriors, and amenities. Once everything's in place, just click on Get Started to proceed. All your uploads will be automatically organized into their respective pages. So here at the top, you'll find the header section, and just below that is the body, where you can start entering all your project details. Below the body, there's a navigation panel that allows you to easily switch between different pages of your digital sales gallery. On the right side, you'll see a live preview window. Anything you add or update in the Creator is instantly reflected here, so you can review your work in real time. At the bottom, you'll find options to preview your input so far, a new tab. And once you're happy with everything, click Publish to finalize your digital sales gallery and make it ready to share with others. Now let's quickly fill in all the required fields and bring everything together to create a beautiful digital sales gallery, all in just a few clicks. Next up is the landing page. Here you'll see a set of recommended list items. These appear as left and right circular buttons on the viewer. You can choose to edit or hide any of these items if you don't have valid content for them. Below that, you'll find the background media section. Here you'll need to upload media for both desktop and mobile views. If you don't have separate images for landscape and portrait formats, you can use the same image for both. Then comes the media type selection. You'll have two options to choose from, regular or panoramic view, depending on your content. Once everything's in place, click the preview button to see how it looks so far. If you're satisfied, then you're all set to proceed to the next page. Next, we have the theming page. Here you can customize the interface to match your brand by selecting your preferred background, foreground, and accent colors. Let us see how this thing works. Just pick your colors and watch the interface update in real time to reflect your choices It's a simple yet powerful way to make your digital sales gallery truly your own. Next, we have this collaterals page. Here you can see a list of collections of collaterals. Few of the items which we have added in the quick start form can be seen here, such as walkthrough video, brochure, etc. We can move up and down the position of collections by clicking the up and down arrows. We can add more items in any collection by clicking the plus icon and can edit details by clicking the edit icon. Also, we can delete any collection by clicking the delete icon. We will now add a new collaterals under the video section. We need to enter the name of the collaterals, need to select the icon, upload the media, and also we can feature the media in landing page. Now we will add a new collection, enter the name of the collaterals, select icon, enter description, enter new collection name, upload the media, and we are done. You can now see the new collection of gallery. You can also choose to add background media for collaterals page if needed, or else we'll be showing the image from the landing page. Once you're done adding all your collaterals, you can view them in the live preview on the right side to see how everything is coming together. And when you're satisfied with the setup, simply proceed to the next page to continue building your digital sales gallery. Next, we have the gallery page. Just like the previous sections, you'll find a collection of gallery items neatly listed here. We've also included a few suggested items. Feel free to keep them if they're useful, or simply delete them if not. All the media you added earlier in the quick start form will also appear here automatically. And as always, you can preview everything in the right panel to see how your gallery is shaping up in real time. Next is the amenities page. And just like the previous sections, you'll see a mix of suggested list items as well as the amenities you added in the quick start form. Here, all you need to do is upload images for each item. As you make changes, you can instantly view them in the live preview panel on the right to ensure everything looks perfect. Next, we have the 3D tours page. Just like before, you'll find a collection of tour items here. Let me show you how to add panoramas. Click on the upload button, select your panorama media, and then set the media type to pano. Once that's done, hit save, and you'll be able to preview it instantly on the right panel. Next, we have the splash screen page. Here you'll need to upload background images for both the desktop and mobile versions to ensure a responsive experience across devices. You can also update the headline and supporting text, configure the login options, and even upload your terms and conditions document from this section. Additionally, you have control over the text alignment and position, allowing you to fine-tune the layout just the way you want. Lastly, we have the nearby maps section. Here you can set up your project location, but since we've already done that in the quick start form, there's no need to add it again. Feel free to edit the location marker or add and remove places as needed. You'll also see a list of nearby places automatically fetched based on the project location. Let me quickly delete and add one for reference. You'll also find some advanced configuration options to fine-tune your map setup. Once done, you can preview the map to see how it looks. And just like that, all your collaterals, amenities, galleries, and 3D tours are now added to the system in a matter of minutes. And if you need to reposition any of the items, you can easily do that from here too.